Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Valentine and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys this big box with the big old bear, you guys, that you can sell for Valentine's Day. And you guys, I started with this box that I got from Advance Auto. I ordered a part for my car and I decided to go ahead and use this box, you guys, wrap it and stuff it. So for boxes like this, you guys, I actually like to put boxes inside of it, or something that's big that can fill a lot of space. Not all paper and not all newspaper, because that can get to be a bit much. So if you can put like a smaller box inside to help fill some of that space, that is good. But make sure it's kind of weighty, you guys, so that if it's windy, this will not blow away. So you guys, I just took the big bear, put it on top, and put the shred in the front. You guys, I usually get my shred from Amazon in 10-pound boxes. And then this candy, you guys, I actually got that from Walmart. I think it was like $11 or so. But with baskets like this, you don't have to put that much stuff. It's really up to you. I don't like my baskets to look cluttered, but as much stuff as you want to put in this basket, you can put in this basket. But you guys, I always put the skewers through the bear just to secure it. I know some people don't like it because of the holes in it, but honestly, when you take those skewers out, you are not going to see any holes in that bear because it's so fluffy and plushy. It won't really cause damage. So then I'm going to go ahead and put this wine glass in there, you guys. I did DIY glasses for these. They didn't come glittered already. And I definitely have a video of that. If you guys want to see that, I will link it down below. And then this little gift set I actually got from City Trends. You guys, City Trends be having some little jewels. So you guys, make sure you check City Trends for little gift sets and things that you can put in your baskets for Valentine's Day. I think I spent about $13 on that, between $13 and $15, I believe, dollars. And then you guys, what you can do is go to Walmart or go on Amazon or go wherever you want to and actually buy a box. They usually come in like a box of wine glasses, you guys, and you can distribute them in pairs in these big baskets like this. You guys, this was a easy seller, and it was so cute and just so pretty. And it's not even that much stuff in here, you guys. This basket actually sold for $200 because of the big giant bear, and I think they like the fact that it had the wine in there and just some other things. You can put some like body oils and things like that for Valentine's inside of this basket, just to give you guys some more ideas. But this is all that I put in this basket, you guys. But because of how big this basket is, I did have to use a roll. I could not use a shrink wrap bag, but what I decided to use was a shrink wrap roll. And so what I do for this is I actually tape the shrink wrap to the bottom of the box and to the bottom of the wrap. And then I take it and I hold it up to the top and just wrap it around. Just wrap the roll around. So it's not going to actually cover the bottom of the box. It's just going to cover the sides. And then I'll tape it to secure it. And then I just go ahead and take everything and put it all up just like a ponytail. But I love how seamless this is. I literally just cross over and then put some packing tape on there, just as flat as possible. And this is what it looks like all tied up. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and add my bow that I made by hand. And this is what it looks like, you guys. So if you can make bows by hand, it definitely looks better than doing the pool bow, the little small bows that I used to put on here. But yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and shrink wrap this, you guys. Sometimes I shrink wrap partial. Sometimes I shrink wrap the whole thing. It's just, yeah, it just really depends on what's inside. If they're softer items, I try to not do so much shrink wrapping because it'll shrink it down. But for the bear, it's okay because the bear is dense enough to where it's not gonna look disfigured. So you can go ahead and shrink wrap around the bear and just make sure everything is secure, because one thing that you don't want is the wine glasses and the actual wine jumping around because it's fragile. And so if you drop this basket or something like that, you don't want the wine glasses and the bottle to be jumping around and hitting each other to break. So this is the finished look, you guys, of this basket. This was super, super cute, you guys. And here's the other one that I did with a white bear. And these were great, great sellers, you guys. So get you some big bears if you don't already have them. And thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, stay crafty.